What's up YouTube, Seth here from How To Knots, back with another knot tutorial, and today we're going to show you how to tow an automobile or anything with an axle really quickly and really easily with Abok 160. So, if you want to learn this knot, let's get right into the tutorial. Abok 160 is under the occupational knots section of Ashley's Book of Knots, and it's for the automobilist. So this knot was used in the wharfs to tow diesel engines in short trips because in the book it says they have to get around a lot of stuff. It's super narrow there, and they need an adjustable, quick, easy knot. Okay, so you start by going around your, we're going to imagine this is our axle here. And this knot's quite like two half hitches, or I think it's more like the sheep shank. So you're going to start by making a loop here on your standing end. So that's like our first hitch, I guess. Okay, so it's going to start with the line here and then the circle going out that way. So we're going to come through like that, alright? And then what we're going to do is we're just going to do that one more time. So I'm going to make that loop there. Okay, so if you can see they're of the same nature there, so it's on the top and then underneath. Okay, and then we're just going to come through the back of that again with our working end. So now you can see we're around the axle and it's like two half hitches, kind of like a sheep shank, except the sheep shank goes different directions with the hitches. But what this knot does is it's super adjustable. So if you're using heavy rope for towing the engines or the whatever's with that axle there, it's super easy to adjust because a lot of knots with heavy rope, once they're tightened, it's kind of hard to get undone. But as you can see, when there's no tension, this knot slides very easily to make it longer, or pull the working end there to make it shorter. And then you can see there's no tension when I'm not pulling. But once there's you take away all the slack and you start to pull, it almost works, and it turns these hitches kind of vertical. And I'm going to hold my anchor point because it's not too strong here. I'm going to pull as hard as I can right now, and it's not moving. So that's the beauty of this knot. And then see, I stop pulling. There's some slack there, and then I can just pull this and adjust it and make the knot bigger or shorter if I want. And that's why this knot is so great. Yeah, it's just an easy, quick knot. I wouldn't use it to pull a car around town, but if you need to move it quickly in the driveway, then this is what you need to use. If you like this tutorial, make sure to follow us along in this journey, the Ashley's Book of Knots journey. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Comment. We have an affiliate link for the Ashley's Book of Knots. Check that out in our description. Take a look at it. Great book. Yeah, we'll see you next time. Have a blessed day.